Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be presenting an important part of English grammar called prepositions. Prepositions are small words but they play a very important role in forming clear and meaningful sentences. In this presentation, we will understand what prepositions are, their types, and how they are used in everyday communication. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and an other word in the sentence. It usually tells us about position, place, direction, time, or movement. For example, the book is on the table. The word on shows the relationship between the book and the table. Prepositions are often grouped into different types depending on the relationship they express. These types help us better understand how prepositions function in sentences. First, we have prepositions of time. They tell us when something happens. For example, at is used for specific times such as at 5 p.m. On is used for days and dates such as on Monday. In is used for months, years or longer periods such as in 2020. Second, we have prepositions of place. They tell us where something is located. For example, in shows that something is inside something else. On shows that something is on a surface. Next, we have prepositions of movement. Prepositions of movement show how something moves from one place to another. For example, they went to the market shows direction toward a place. Besides time, place, and direction, there are also other prepositions that express different kinds of relationships between words. These include words like about, with, without, by, for, of, and despite. They can show ideas such as feelings, causes, agents, or the subject of something. Now, why prepositions are important? Because they help us connect words and ideas in a sentence. They make sentences clearer by explaining time, place, position, and direction or movement. Without prepositions, communication would be confusing and incomplete. To use prepositions more effectively, we can follow a few simple tips. For example, using a thesaurus or a grammar guide can help us discover different word choices and understand how they should be used. Another helpful method is reading regularly because it allows us to see how experienced writers use prepositions in real sentences. Finally, the best way to improve is through practice, by writing our own sentences and trying to use a variety of prepositions. To conclude, prepositions are a very important part of English grammar. Although they are small words, they play a big role in making sentences meaningful and clear. By learning how to use prepositions correctly, we can improve both our spoken and written communication. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more lessons.